Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about Listview. Listview is generally list of data. You can show the data uh, in the design as you want. There are many different ways to show the data. Okay, so first we will learn uh, how to show the simple list, then we will slowly move to the complex. Okay, so first we will see that the simple list view. So we have just added I have just added a control called list view and given name as a list view, and in the code I have created a list of string and added the some data, and that list assigned to the item source of the list view. After running this application, you will see this result. Okay. List view also provide the separator color. For example, separator color is equal to blue. Okay. It turn into blue, and another is separator visibility. So by default, value is default. If we set as none, it will remove the separator. Okay. Now we will see if there are multiple data, then how to show. Okay, in the simple way. So for that I have created a class as a name, description, image URL property, and assign its value and return the list in the method. Okay. Now to show this, if you directly assign that list dot get, to directly assign that list, let's see what it will show. Okay, how it will show the data. So it will show as a namespace. Okay, because he doesn't know what value where to show, and we have also not bind any property. So for that we have to bind property. So we will create a item template. So here is the list view item template. In the item template, data template. Okay, now we will say a text cell. Text is equal to binding, then give the property. Okay, but the name thing is that we doesn't know the uh, uh, we I have set a simple property, but sometimes it will be complicated, means the spelling mistake also may happen. So what to do? X dot data type. Okay, VM. Okay, what is VM? VM is the path of that model. So I will set here name. So all those things are came here: name, description, and image URL. Okay, so I will set name and detail. Okay, binding, description. Perfect. Now we will save it and it will show the result. Okay, but I also want to view a image, So I will set here image cell and image source binding property image URL. See, it's very easy. Now uh, I want to show this Xamarin Manager to to the side of name. Okay, means description dash Kirti dash description name dash description. So what you have to do, this is just a small logic. Create string new display name. Okay. Get return name plus description. Okay, and we will set name display name. We will remove this detail. See, you can see the name and description in the same line. Okay, now we will add a new property here. Public string is uh, true or is uh, uh, eligible. Okay, okay. Generally, data types it will be boolean, but for understanding, I am setting as a string. Is eligible is equal to true. Is eligible is equal to false. Is eligible is equal to true. Now I want to also display all these things. Okay, so what I will do, we have to use a view set. Okay, so I will remove this view cell. You can create a custom control here. Just add a stack layout. Okay, and image. Let's give image. We will show only name, label, text, binding, display name. Okay, and label, text, binding is eligible. Okay, so Okay, I want this true to be on the right side at the left end side. Okay, so I will set stack layout orientation as horizontal. By default it is vertical, and horizontal option fill and expand, and here also horizontal fill and expand. See, it went to the at the end. Now we will add a padding for better display. Okay, I don't know why, what is problem in 20. I don't know. So in this way you can create a custom uh, cell for the list view. Okay, you can also set here uh, mm, font attribute as a bold. Okay, so this is the way you can use the list view. And another we will also learn um, how to use a uh, uh, complex view in the list view by using the uh, only control. We will use a custom control here. We will not add all the control in here. We will add a custom control. So we will learn how to add a custom control in the next lecture, and more we will learn. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please like this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.